Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, it's been a while, it's been a minute. And we just sit off of the internet for a minute because, yeah, we didn't feel too well and all of them things, you see. But anyway, we're back. I want to say greetings to all of the beautiful people who, you understand, take the time out for listen to the videos what we put out, and the one them who take the time out for subscribe and then things they want to say give thanks and welcome, is it? Yeah, man, and if this is your first time passing through and you know take the time out for subscribe yet, we then just ask or implore the if you just click that subscription button there, is it, so we can grow the channel, is me I say. Yeah, man, so all of the beautiful people in the world, all my beautiful Jamaican people want to say massive respect, enough love, enough appreciation. See? But massive, I don't know how much of the item familiar with a female artist called Desiree. And Desiree have a song where she has said, we're living in a serious time. Is it? And that song there, it's so relevant to the time and space what we live in right now, is it? And me just I said that to say this. More time it don't even make no sense we even dep on the internet or argue with each other or argue with some waste of space people differently still, you see, because some people as Jamaican differently still. We show love to everybody else, and you understand, every other stranger we meet, with the exception of our own. We not show much love to each other, and we always wish the worst for our fellow Jamaicans. You understand? We always tend to want to see the demise of our own people, and I don't know where all of them things they come from still, you see it? People can narrow it down to jealousy and bad mind and all kind of like a petty skirmish and scrabble where people have, you see it, but we never seem to rate each other to the point where we don't want to see each other's demise, you see it? It's like we live to see the death of our own Jamaican people, you see it? Because when you may watch a video and me see Fat Joe, that Fat Joe is a rapper from America, and the man that talk about the power and the energy of the Jamaican people, and how Jamaican people, we have a vibrant energy, we have so much power in our culture. See? And all of it come with love. We show so much love to the world, and we bring so much love to the world. But when it come on to our own people, as me say, it's like we only want to see the demise of our own, you see? And this morning me see a news with a popular TikToker from over there in St. Catherine. We call himself Niah. Him depend him live, and him and some other people might get into the arguing, and you understand. people get threatened and afterwards you hear gate a kick down and people have to get up and run. Afterwards you hear the youth get shot and unalived. Is it? People, me no know differently still what we are come down to or how we come down to this differently still as a people where the quickest thing is death. Is it? Nobody have the time for argue out anything again. Nobody have the time for reason out things. Cause most of the things what people are get hurt over are simple things where people can conversate about. People can have conversations on things and come to some kind of agreement, whether we rate each other, whether we like each other or not. We not necessarily have to seek the demise of someone only because you don't like that person. Is it? So I say we are going to play a little video of the live of the youth upon and a little piece of the incident. You don't know, some things can't be brought on YouTube, so we're not go put out some of the videos what we say with the youth on the ground and them kind of things. Is it? But in the meantime, people, we just have to be careful. We have to stay vigilant. Sometimes some people say some things to you. Just swallow your pride, swallow your breath, and just walk on and move on. Is it? Don't even try to argue out anything with some people nowadays, because mankind art get vicious differently still, is it? And we just seek to destroy and tear down ourselves, is it? And make we culture and we community get weaker by the minute, is it? We see the amount of different cultures will live around us, and for some reason it just come like I say we attracted to the lowest and the nastiest energy, is it? And we just want to prove how bad or how vicious we are towards each other, so we just quick to hurt each other. You understand? So in the meantime, people, I could just take a listen and watch what go on here, sir.
Big man, you can get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Gunsh blood clot. Let's go.
It's all like a waste, man. A sabla my fool come from, you know, a lie.
No. Not deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. You see? You now run the file. And you say you a killer.
Never tell her that.
We record everything, brother. You die for true, man. You get it for. Yeah, man.
Kingston hostile, I like country. All about which my name come from a country, bro. I like country. I love my yard. Kingston, my banner go, I love Kingston.
But Kingston not really safe either in a Zoom, man.
No, we're not safe. No, we're not safe. No, we're not safe. Even your house is safe. Triple. No, we're not all safe. Triple right now, I'm paranoid, bro. Bro, you have to know yet, bro. You have some people bad mind, understand and youth. How close to you can get to your hurt you, bro.
And you know, say, for a long, you know, say, why, me no know. Me hate when people even write, you know, sometimes you will write some caption for your picture, them we say, like, you write one caption, say, dead before the sun, or you rather dead, you know, them caption, they was set me hate, you know. One time me there with one man and he write one caption like that, like, it don't really mean nothing to him, but me ball till he take it down. Me just not like when people talk about them something there. Me feel like when you write, because if you notice, you know, sometimes when the man them write the caption, them, you know, it, like couple days after something happened to them. Me hate when they talk about the death or write the caption them under the picture or run dead joke. Me hate it. Just pray that for some time. Yeah, power in my tongue. Me believe that power in my tongue, man.
Means that you never pray for my life. Triple morning time before I go down any mix up, my people them can tell you. Never pray. Never pray for everybody. Pray. Never pray. Me say, Father God, guide and protect everybody alive. God and protect me. God and protect every one of my family, my friend them. God and protect every streamer, from the little streamer to the big streamer. God and protect every content creator, every gifter. Me pray for everybody, bro. The day I told you, bro, life not promise to nobody in the youth. I told them I see Niah live, you know. I told them I see more by live and I sing, you know. Even all since 9, but there. But turn on my live, triple me and say, over here, I say, be a fucking Niah sing for them live, you know. I mean, I mock him and I laugh. Even since 9, I say, boy, Niah, be a fucking sing for them live, you know. You know, my time there, I mock him and I laugh.
Yeah, massive. So we see what go on there, so and we see how the youth just losing life upon life. You see it, the youth dead upon life. You see me I say? And it just sad. As a people differently still. Me really a hope for change. Me really a hope for some sense prevail over the people them. And that's why we have to take care of the new generation coming up differently still, you see it, and try to instill a certain kind of love and discipline within the youth them same way. You understand? And make the youth them understand, say, and everything the youth them argue over, it have to end up how Niah end up. See? Make we cherish every moment at the time where we get to spend amongst we loved ones. Make we spend some time and start to think about helping each other more than tearing down each other. Make we start to think about growing rather than killing. You see it? Because when you look around we, you know, and we see Jamaica soon get taken over by a next set of people, you know. And you see, if we're not careful, we are going to lose with Paradise Island. And with Paradise Island soon have a different look. The face of our country soon have a different look, a different color, different complexion. Is it? Because one, we are kill out each other. Two, who can afford to run away from the island start to run away from the island. You see it? So a different set of people go come in. Because on the seat, so the government sell off a whole heap of the land. And the whole heap of land where the government sell off, you know what I mean, say? I just invest, people are going to invest and put in infrastructure for benefit the ordinary or the average Jamaican. You see it? It are going to change. The landscape going to change. The color of the people them going to change because you're going to see a different set of people come in. And when time them set of people come in and the very few original Jamaican who go did it, some of them might interbreed with the new set of Jamaican them. And you go have a different dynamic of Jamaicans. They go look different. Same way like how you see some people look down in Indonesia, Philippines and all of them places. Yeah. So the new face of Jamaica soon look if we're not careful. You see it? Because all we do is kill off each other. And who not kill off each other, we are run away from the island and then we throw stone behind we back and we cuss the island and say are the worst place in the world and we allow crime and violence to take over. But it's a big master plan. And if we not get a grip of ourselves, we just are going to fall victim to the master plan. People, when you go and bless up on yourself, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Make sure say if you and somebody argue, don't make it escalate to whisper. You understand? You have to carry out no kind of violent act upon people and at the same time avoid all violent confrontation so we can save and preserve our life and save and preserve our beautiful island. Yeah man, Rastafari, go and take care of themselves.